I'm going to make a list of resolutions for the upcoming year. I'm going to make a list of resolutions for the upcoming year. Although I am always too lazy to fulfill them and I leave them half done. Although I am always too lazy to fulfill them and I leave them half done. I think I should start the year by exercising more. I think I should start the year by exercising more. Although I don't know, but I am so lazy. Although I don't know, but I am so lazy. In truth, I should also eat better. In truth, I should also eat better. More fruit and vegetables and less sweets and junk food. More fruit and vegetables and less sweets and junk food. But I'm never at home. I'm always eating out. But I'm never home. I'm always eating out. I have a lot of books piled up on my bedside table. I have a lot of books piled up on my bedside table. I should read every day. I should read every day. But I don't have time. But I don't have time. I should really use the stairs instead of the elevator. I should really use the stairs instead of the elevator. But I'll end up so tired. But I'll end up so tired. My friends always want to meet with me. My friends always want to meet with me. This year I'll say yes to all their plans. I'll go out more. This year I'll say yes to all their plans. I'll go out more. And I will also visit my family more often. And I will also visit my family more often. Also, this year I will take the Spanish course that I have been putting off for so long. Also, this year I will take the Spanish course that I have been putting off for so long. I will try to fulfill all my resolutions. Next year will be a great year. I will try to fulfill all my resolutions. Next year will be a great year. Especially because I'm going to start it surrounded by my friends. Especially because I'm going to start it surrounded by my friends. They are coming tonight to have dinner and count down to the new year. They are coming tonight to have dinner and count down to the new year. I have to get everything ready. I have to get everything ready. It's also very important to dress up tonight. It's also very important to dress up tonight. I'm going to wear a beautiful pink dress for the occasion. I'm going to wear a beautiful pink dress for the occasion. They're all here. They're all here. Just in time, dinner's ready. Just in time, dinner's ready.
Wow, everything was great. Your dinner was really good. Wow, everything was great. Your dinner was really good.
Let's go into the living room. The countdown is about to start. Let's go into the living room. The countdown is about to start. The new year is so close I can't wait. The new year is so close I can't wait. Now let's dance to celebrate the new year. Now let's dance to celebrate the new year.
I'm looking forward to 2022. I'm looking forward to 2022. Well, I hope that next year will be better than this one. I would like to find a new job. Well, I hope that next year will be better than this one. I would like to find a new job. For me, this year was a good year, but change is always nice. For me, this year was a good year, but change is always nice.
Next year will be great. Next year will be great. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! I had a great time. My friends are awesome. I had a great time. My friends are awesome. I'm going to go to sleep. I'm exhausted. I'm going to go to sleep. I'm exhausted.
The next day.
Phew, I'm so tired. I had a great time yesterday. I think I'll start my New Year's resolutions tomorrow. Phew, I'm so tired. I had a great time yesterday. I think I'll start my New Year's resolutions tomorrow.
Do you want to learn English in a fun and easy way? Subscribe to our channel. Every Sunday a new video.